Compost Critters.
Let's see what jokes the Compost Critters have today.
It's too warm for this one. Bread? I think the heat is drying you out.
Ah, look at me. I'm toast.
Hey, how you critters going? Whew, it's a stinker today.
Sure is stinky.
How about a joke? Got any new ones?
Yep. What do you call a fly with no wings? A wolf.
That's a sad joke. Still funny, though.
What about this? What do all worms say when they ride their bikes?
I don't know.
Look, no hands.
No legs either.
Ooh, this is a good one. Are you ready? Why did the compost have an itchy bottom?
Why?
It was filled with worms.
That is a very gross and dirty joke, critters. I like it.